Thank you so much. Honorable Minister, ngiyajabula namhla kukuva uthi manje awujabuli ukuthi hulumende iconvection namhla ushintshile. Last time wathi manje hey siyabonga hulumende usiphe 344 permanent posts, and I was so angry. So how will Parliament assist you to get the post if when you are just happy get drop in the ocean? So today, if we hear you, Minister Utsi Aujabul, we are joining you, we are not happy. And vigorously, together with yourself, we have to show government we are not happy, and this must be sorted as soon as possible. Senhlala Pasi, Chair. In fact, declare I'm a member of the Church of the Nazarene, born member of the Church of the Nazarene. Ngilunga. Manje kunana university yethu nayo isana bahlonishwa ngiyanicela ngicasa sikhulumeni ngesana bathe ngilalele Scott angisho ukuthi ningabi bo Scott bo M kobo bani, but no one is talking about Sanu, and Sanu experience ma problems just recently. Tikolo tavalwa wabhikishwa, and government was quiet about Sanu. Chair, li portfolio yakho ike yayini Sanu nangilokhuluma yalo ngema debilitated structures esana uyathi nisesana kwendeka noma nje ugcina ukuthi kunasana kule university yethu sithathe eMaswati bantu babeni letinkundleni bayofunza lapha, but kude labalala khona bacasha lapha kubokhoza, very dangerous, bashayiswe imoto lapha. Sinayo indzawo lapha esana singasebenta lapha esana. Siyacela Chair, mina nje I'm inviting you Chair and the committee, please liaise with the administration of SANU, pay visit there so that we can revive our son, so that ibuye kulawa malanga. Ngiyabonga Chair isikhathi sakho.
Mhlonishwa Semayiwane, lamagama locale ngawo ekubonga ayakhutsata kakhulu, siyanibonga Tiko lakithi. Kumbonisa ngaveta nje ukuthi banenge bantu babethu lekubantwana belitiko Mhlonishwa Semayiwane sibahambile, maybe half of them siselihlelweni vele kubahambela bonke. Siyabonga nje nekuveta indzaba sesano iselihlelweni Mhlonishwa waseMayiwane. Sibonga kakhulu Tiko lelikwende eMayiwane. Mhlonishwa